That's my dad right here, my twin. Hi Fibs, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. I think I'm echoing right here, so I think I need to move. I'm echoing, that's better. You guys, it's another day of vacation and we are up early, recovered from yesterday. Papa, say hello. Ah, you're high. Alright. You guys, as I'm talking to you guys, I had to just drop the camera because Ty just ran and had an accident. It's okay. He just had a little accident. If you look at his face, poor baby. So accident on vacation, that's his first, but that's actually his second accident since we're here, because he fell one day in the week on the street and now he slid on a mat in the room and just hit his face on the side of the bed and just scratch a little bit, but I guess boys will be boys. So as I was telling you guys, we're actually heading out of town. We're heading to the country today, so we're doing a road trip to go and see my dad and my other grandma than what you guys see yesterday. So I'm going to see my dad's mom and see my little sister. So yes, if you guys didn't know, I have two sisters. My eldest sister, who I'm staying with now, and my little sister is in the country, which is by my dad. She's just by my dad's side. So we're going to see my little sister today, some other family members, and enjoy this road trip. So you guys will see babe in a little bit. He's somewhere around the place with my sister. So yeah, we're going to head out on the road and we'll catch you guys on our way. Hush, boo-boo. It's okay. It's gonna get better soon, okay? Right? It's gonna get better soon. Yeah. Look at his face. That's the crew and we're ready for country. That's my sister right there. Shan, say hi. Kay, say hi. Stella, say hi. Babe, say hi. Kellan, say hi. What's up? Alright you guys, we're about to head on the road right now. And it's about 2 hour drive to the country, so let's go. We're on our way and we're in Clarendon at the most famous patty stop. We're at Juicy Patties.
Come on, best time I them out of it.
You have to do something for the price. Take 2 bags.
How much for apple? Ask him how much for apple, Kellan. Ask him how much for apple, Kellan.
What's the apple them?
The apple them? The apple them are 250.
You look like him a gift section. He might give different price.
How much apple you want? How much bag of apple?
2 bags. Bring 4, let's kill a grand. Think gonna sneak the sticker. So 6 bills that?
No, actually, I gave them every 2 days, so 7 days in all. The apple them, I gave them 2 days instead of 250, so 4 days plus 3 days, 7 days.
Come on, man.
Wait, Tyler, wait.
6 mil, man. It's cool. A regular man, watch your van, man. A regular we pass you or something. So I road, man.
Killing a real hustler. You guys. My brother-in-law just buy apples and oranges. That's Jamaican apple. Let me show them Jamaican apple, babe. This is Jamaican apple, guys. When we eating it, I'll show you better. But this is what Jamaican apple looks like. Here, babe. Take me up and up. So we are at patty stop right now, and of course we're gonna get cheese patty. This patty stop is in Clarendon, and it's one of the most famous patty stop. Once you go into the country, you must stop at this patty stop. So we are patty hungry right now. Princess, you want cheese patty? My niece love cheese patty.
You full your belly of patty? You full your belly of patty?
Yes. So we're gonna have patty. Still on our road trip journey. We haven't reached where we're going yet. Tyler is sleeping and he's actually in no clothes because we had a little dilemma. He vomited like crazy. Vomit the entire van. So I had to change his clothes, but we're actually in the community where my dad lives. So we're almost there. And this community we used to walk, my sister and I, we used to walk this road to school every single day. 7 miles to school and 7 miles back home. So yeah, we're almost there though. We're almost there, like about 3 minutes and we'll be there. we're in deep country, the deepest part of St. James, countryside. That's where I was. That's where I grew up. That's where we are right now. Everybody's just chilling after the long ride. I think it was about 2 hours something drive. And Tyler is here, grandpa. That's my dad right here, my twin. Ty, you get banana? You say thank you?
Banana.
You tell grandpa thanks for the banana?
You want banana or cane? I want both of them.
Cane.
Cane.
And we're gonna eat sugar cane. Peel piece something to you, daddy. Babe don't have a clue how to eat cane.
Why are you so nice to me?
Ty feeding Tata banana. He tried, but he's not a fan. He don't know if he eat the juice out of the trash properly.
That's one of the fun.
Yeah?
You? This is not banana, this is cane. What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with you?
Babe, say that again.
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with you? No,
You guys, there you have a Jamaican expression for today. What's wrong with you? Simply means what is wrong with you.
What's wrong with you?
Babe, you're a mess.
Then you have two different type of expression. You have the real Jamaican expression and you have the Shanoya Jamaican expression. It's close to, but it's not the same.
He's always messing with my sister because he says when my sister speaks, he doesn't understand a thing. Because my sister speaks really fast. Tyler, first time eating sugar cane. Tyler, eat cane. Yes, Ty. You're better than Papa. Hey, you say,
Real Jamaican.
The real Jamaican boy.
Exactly, you're black.
You guys, I'm eating sugar cane. A real sugar cane. Jamaican sugar cane. Babe don't know how to eat sugar cane. Doesn't matter how I teach him, he can't. So he's there looking at everybody eating. Baby, you want to try again?
No, I don't want to try.
You sure? Babe say, babe ask where we get our teeth from. Dad's wife.
So I say slim girl.
So she's not slim. Where? Show body. Where? Look, with all of this. She's the mother of my sister. My little sister, which you guys gonna see in a bit.
She's not here yet.
No, we're going to Beth Sierra.
Okay. So where we are here?
We're in St. James now.
St. James, real country.
Real country. We're in deep part of St. James. We're in the deep part of St. James and where I grew up. Go to Compton. Go on. You want to know say I just come up, you know? Yeah. Where I grew up is about a mile. 2.5 miles from here.
2.5
No? To where I grew up.
About 4 miles.
About 4 miles? Well, my sister say about 4 miles.
Alright guys, so first stop done. Next stop, St. Elizabeth, right?
Yes.
In St. Elizabeth, another country land.
Another parish.
Yeah, another parish. And it's gonna be a country game. Yeah. I wanted to say country, so I got it. Yeah, so anything special you want to say?
No, it's just that we're having a good time so far. just saw my dad. Now on to see my grandmother and my little sister.
Alright, so catch you guys on the way, okay? Hi guys, so this is the second stop, grandma house. I'm gonna show you the backyard. This is real country.
Hi.
Yeah, country, like you can see, there is nowhere closed, nothing.
Hi guys, I'm at my grandmother. Yeah.
Say hi to the camera.
Hi. Hi guys, it is late afternoon and we're actually on our way back home from the country. We made another stop to see some of the family members. It was night, so I didn't really bother to vlog. We are actually in Clarendon right now at a food stop. We're having jerk everything, jerk chicken, jerk pork, festival bame, the good old Jamaican food. So we just ordered. Tyler is sleeping actually, so we just ordered and waiting on our food to arrive. So I'll show you guys what we're having in a bit. This is bami, fry bami and fry festivals, going with jerk chicken. Let me see your pork, babe.
Jerk pork.
And Babe's having jerk pork with festivals too.
Johnny.
What?
Thank you. Say yeah, man. Real one. I'm not shaking to a Dutch beer like someone. You like beer? You like good beer or you just
Hey guys, we are back home and it's actually the second night I'm coming on to end the vlog alone without the boys. Babe is dead sleeping. Tyler is out completely. It was a long day. It was a very long day, very eventful day. Saw a lot of family, saw a lot of friends, eat a lot of Jamaican food. I saw my grandma, which was really sweet. Saw my dad, which was really cool. And oh, can you tell I'm tired? I get to spend some time with different family members. So we stopped in two parishes. So we went to St. Elizabeth and St. James, and we passed through lots of different parishes on our way. Where you saw us eating, that was Clarendon actually. And then where else did we go? So we passed through Clarendon, we stopped in St. Elizabeth, we stopped in St. James, and yeah, we just had a good day. And like I said, the boys are sleeping and I'm actually going to jump in the shower right now because Tyler, not that he doesn't used to the long driving, he does use to long drive, but the Jamaican roads, it shakes him up a lot. It's not just straight road that you drive like the highway that we have back at home. So all the turns and the jerk, it makes him vomit a lot. Today Tyler vomit at least, TMI, sorry guys, he vomit at least 3-4 times throughout the trip, and all of it was on me and I didn't have a change of clothes. So all day I was walking around with vomit on me, but your girl gotta do what your girl gotta do. So I'm going to jump in the shower real quick, get myself a shower, and then I'm just going to head straight to bed. So hopefully you guys enjoy yet another eventful day of adventures, Jamaican style, Jamaican way. And I'm just going to end the vlog here. So don't forget to subscribe if you're new, turn on your notification to not miss out on any vlog. We love you guys. Thank you guys for watching and supporting, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.